All right, good morning, friends of the vlog. Just dropped off Amanda and Nick to go ride the Mountain of Heavenly. And I'm coming in hot with an unboxing. Starting off this vlog super heavy with this unboxing right now. I definitely know what this is, but I don't know exactly what it is. And I know it's from my parents, so thank you, Mom and Dad. And let's freaking get in this thing right now. Yeah. So pumped. You can literally smell it. It's coffee, guys. Oh my gosh, dude. Straight up Stumptown goodness. Sealed up in here. Are you kidding me, dude? No way. Oh my god. So stoked. Oh, so we got direct trade. We got the house blend right here, which I've never had. I've actually only had the Holler Mountain roast, and it was so good. So the notes for this, we got creamy and caramel, which is so sick. And this one, we got candied and milk chocolate, dude. This is for the dream right here. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. You know how much this means to me because coffee's everything. Oh my gosh, so stoked. What, like, best way to start off the day right now. Woo! So if you don't follow us on Instagram, we built a jump yesterday, and it was my first time on a board since last season, which I've only rode a snowboard a handful of times in my life anyways. But me, Nick, and Amanda went out and built a jump, so check it out. Dope. So yeah, it was so much fun. Oh my gosh, I've been dying to get on my new board. We all learned some new tricks, and it was for the dream, dude. So I'm currently by myself right now, and I'm trying to go solo to build a jump somewhere nearby. I don't know if I'm gonna find anywhere, but just gonna drive around and see if anything pops up. So yeah, I hope you guys like the new channel name. We are Living Without Walls now, and the logo's taking a while to change from the old one, but it is up to date, and it feels so good. So stoked to have you guys with us today. Let's crush it. All right, so we just rolled up and parked on the side of the road. It's looking like there's some snow where Nick and I had sledded on Thanksgiving. Insert gnarly sledding clip.
This is how you pregame Thanksgiving.
It's on!
Sled it.
Yeah! So gonna walk up there and check it out and see if there's anything to work with. So we've kind of got a little spot right here going. Just got to make sure there's no rocks, you know, and then like I can just kind of like go down it and pack it out a little bit. It's possible. It's possible. The snow's a little crunchy, but there is potential for the dream right here, dude. Definitely a little crunchy. Alright guys, so I just found this spot. We're gonna try to build a little track and maybe a little jump, dude, so I'm pumped right now. Let's see what we can make happen, dude. All right, so I got this little line. Starting up there and coming down right here. And then I think I'm gonna build a little jump right there and then land into this like thick snow, and then that'll be it, so. Little jump was super fun. Got some sick 180s and grabs in. Super stoked for the dream. Now we're about to zip over there and pick up Amanda and Nick from the gondola and see what they're claiming about the mountain conditions and runs and carnage, dude. What's the claim on conditions?
It's pretty fun.
There's still some stashies out there.
Nice.
You gotta hunt them down.
Yeah.
Though.
Heck yeah. Sick.
You vlogging?
Yeah.
What you do all day?
I built a jump, dude.
You did?
Yeah.
How was
Where?
It was really fun. All right, the squad is here. The squad is Nick.
I make the squad.
Nick makes the squad complete. The trio. And Amanda's cooking, what would you call it? Sesame tofu? No. Amanda's cooking orange tofu. And it's about to go down, dude. Your boy's so stoked on how good that dinner was, dude. So it's all about eating a good meal, prepping yourself for the carnage that we put on our bodies, especially snowboarding. Especially when you're like making a jump and you're constantly hiking back up to get ready to hit the jump again. You really feel it in your legs. And I'm not quite conditioned yet at all. So something I've really been doing is stretching and watching snowboard videos, mainly Casey Willax. He's been a huge influence on my snowboarding drive and everything. So I'll show you guys a little routine that I kind of have. I just dropped off Amanda at a snowboard clinic and Nick headed back home to do laundry and get ready for ski instruction tomorrow. So I love watching Casey Willax and stretching on the bed. It's like, just gets me so hyped for snowboarding because I know that I'm conditioning my body for it, and mentally I'm watching it and getting so psyched about it. So gotta stay inspired, gotta stay psyched, and Casey's a huge influence on that. So take care of your body and get it ready for what you want to do to it, because if you get out there and you're not stretched out and you do something weird and tweak something, it's going to be really bad and you're going to injure yourself. So gotta focus on stretching heavy. All right, good morning, friends of the vlog. Your boy just dropped off Amanda to go ride again today. She is killing it out there. And I'm getting into my morning routine of stretching and drinking coffee right now. I drove back over to the spot where I made that little track and jump yesterday. So I'm gonna see how creative I can get with it today. Try to add some new things to it. See if I can't at least learn one new trick today. And I'm just trying to get that practice in as much as possible. 2 more days until I get my riding pass. So pumped. I hope you guys are taking these steps today to get towards your dream and where you want to be if you're not there already. So let's live it, crush it today. Just feeling super grateful and stoked about where I am right now. So, Alright, so I just created a little bit more of a challenge for myself. I'm trying to think of what I can do to just improve and, I don't know, get better in any area. And I guess I'm working on like keeping my speed up so I can like clear a certain distance. So I made this gap, jumping from that kicker to that kicker. Only way to end a kicker sesh is with more coffee and a meal, dog. So like I said before, snowboarding is something new in my life. I've done it maybe a handful of times. And I've been like practicing on that little jump and hiking back up the hill, and I'm getting so sore. But I'm getting ready for Friday when I get my pass. I can go hit the actual mountain. So I'm gonna get some more practice in today, and I'm gonna go to the skate house and get some skating in and just keep the board feel under my feet going. And I'm just so ready to be out on the mountain and improving my snowboarding that I just feel like all the practice I can get is going to be super helpful, and it gives Amanda alone time in the van to hang out and just do her thing. So we'll see what's going on.